Starting around 03 October 2023, Ethereum generally is exchanging at $1,651.77 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.37% in very most recent 60 minutes, or so they certainly thought. ETH really has an exceptionally all-out market cap of $198,610,440,719, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $6,379,818,281 in a sort of large manner. This fundamentally makes Ethereum, ETH, truly positioning at 2 in the cryptographic money market in an unpretentious way. In the event that you explicitly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what truly is the Ethereum cost expectation end of 2023, what will Ethereum for the most part be truly worth in 2023, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking? Is Ethereum a by and large wise venture or truly worth purchasing in 2023, or so they generally thought? Will ETH cost especially outperform its untouched especially high in an unobtrusive manner? These generally are our Ethereum cost expectations for ETH's future in a kind of large manner. Ethereum, ETH, value expectation 2023, as per the Ethereum gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the ETH cost essentially is supposed to fundamentally cross a really normal value level of $2,139.84, the normal pretty least value worth of Ethereum toward the finish of the very current year, ought to sort of be $2,048.41 amazingly. Besides, ETH can in a real sense arrive at an essentially greatest value level of $2,335.71 in an unpretentious manner. ETH value conjecture August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Ethereum essentially is estimated to be at around a base worth of $1,737.18, showing that Ethereum, ETH, value expectation 2023, as per the Ethereum figure cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the ETH cost for the most part is supposed to commonly cross in every practical sense normal value level of $2,139.84, the normal genuinely least value worth of Ethereum toward the finish of the truly current year ought to especially be $2,048.41, or so they certainly thought. The Ethereum value worth can especially arrive at a by and large limit of $1,974.90, with the fundamentally normal exchanging worth of $1,920.04 in United States dollars, which most certainly is very critical. Ethereum, ETH, value expectation September 2023. The cost for Ethereum in September 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $1,923.70 and $2,070.90, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. While the kind of typical exchanging cost ought to for the most part be around $1,996.84 in every practical sense, significant way. ETH value gauge October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Ethereum in every practical sense is estimated to basically be at around a for the most part least worth of $1,945.35 in a genuinely large manner. The Ethereum value worth can explicitly arrive at a kind of limit of $2,150.77, with the typical exchanging worth of $2,036.78 in United States dollars, or so they truly thought. ETH value conjecture November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Ethereum truly is gauged to generally be at around an especially least worth of $2,004.37 in an unobtrusive manner. The Ethereum value worth can by and large arrive at a truly limit of $2,252.61, with the for the most part normal exchanging worth of $2,077.51 in United States dollars in a kind of enormous way. Ethereum, ETH, value conjecture December 2023. For December 2023, the cost of Ethereum most certainly is in every way that really matters, anticipated to explicitly arrive at a genuinely normal cost of $2,139.84, while the coin could exchange between an especially limit of $2,335.71 and a by and large least of $2,048.41 in an unpretentious manner. Ethereum extremely past value examination in the beyond 24 hours, the crypto in every way that really matters, has been truly diminished by 2.21% in its sort of current worth, showing how this in a real sense makes Ethereum, ETH, fundamentally positioning at 2 in the digital money market, which in a real sense is very critical. Assuming we certainly look at the truly current market cap of the ETH with yesterday's, you can in every practical sense see that the market cap in a real sense is likewise down, really as opposed to mainstream thinking. From genuinely most recent 7 days, the ETH truly was in commonly great vertical pattern and expanded by 3.9%, showing that Ethereum, ETH, value expectation 2023. As per the Ethereum estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the ETH cost is supposed to really cross an extremely normal value level of $2,139.84. The normal, especially least value worth of Ethereum toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to by and large be $2,048.41, which by and large is genuinely huge. Ethereum sort of has shown areas of strength for genuinely of potential recently, and this could be essentially great chance to dive right in and sort of put resources into a by and large huge way for the most part. Inside the sort of most recent 1 month, the cost of ETH explicitly diminished by 12.533%, killing an incredible sort of normal amount of $236.68 from its ongoing worth, showing that besides ETH can sort of arrive at a by and large greatest value level of $2,335.71 in an unobtrusive manner. This unexpected down generally implies that the coin truly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can be a kind of good sort of purchase, a valuable open door for speedy speculation, which fundamentally shows that will ETH cost really outperform its untouched high, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. The 90 days cost change truly is around 5.16%, and the cost most certainly flowed from a truly least kind of typical cost of $1,539.51 to greatest genuinely normal cost of $1,647.19 in the specific beyond 90 days in an unobtrusive manner. In sort of most recent 4 months, Ethereum basically has shown a developing pattern, showing how inside the genuinely most recent 1 month, the cost of ETH in a real sense diminished by 12.533%, killing an astounding truly normal amount of $236.68 from its by and large current worth. Exhibiting that besides ETH can fundamentally arrive at a very greatest value level of $2,335.71 in a sort of significant manner. In this manner, we in every practical sense feel that comparable pieces of the market by and large were very famous at that period in an unpretentious manner. As per the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Ethereum in every practical sense is expanded from 4 months in an unpretentious manner. The exchanging volume is an essential job in its cost, so the Ethereum value worth can by and large arrive at a genuinely limit of $1,974.90, with the typical exchanging worth of $1,920.04 in United States dollars in a sort of huge way. The coin explicitly is up by 20.08%, with the especially greatest really normal cost of the coin, for the most part, was around $1,207.02, and the genuinely least fundamentally normal cost of